Number 1. 1965 AMC Rambler, price $6,600. The car has been stored in a warehouse for the past 2 years, sold because there's no time to maintain it. The car needs a battery replacement, fuel filter, and a good carburetor tune-up. Some bodywork is needed around the rear wheel wells and rockers, but nothing too serious. The car is still solid and can be a great cruiser. The 1965 Rambler is known for being a durable car with an attractive classic design, so with a bit of repair it can become an impressive vehicle. Number 2. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe, price $2,800. The car is in a condition that requires some restoration, making it an attractive choice for vintage car enthusiasts. With 150,000 miles and the original owner for over 45 years in Florida, the car shows typical signs of age, including rust on the lower edges of the doors and rear quarter panels. The original paint, particularly on the hood and roof, is visibly faded, while the vehicle still retains the original Goodyear Eagle GT2 tires and wheels. Powered by the original 350 small block V8 engine that runs, the engine bay shows wear but is complete. Although the interior is not visible, it is mentioned to be all original and likely needs repair. Overall, this Camaro, with its solid history and originality, offers a great restoration opportunity. The owner is open to offers, making it a project car worth considering. Number 3. 1973 Ford Mustang, price $9,000. This automatic transmission car is in very good condition and is currently insured. The car has new chrome wheel arches, new chrome rockers, and new nickel-copper brake lines. The gas tank and lines are also new, with rims and tires bought 2 years ago. The car was repainted 5 years ago, although it now needs a new manifold gasket due to a leak that makes it a bit noisy when driven. The car still retains the original 250 six-cylinder engine. The Mustang is part of the first-generation models known for their iconic design and solid performance. Despite the minor manifold issue, the overall condition of this car with its updates and new parts makes it a desirable classic car. Number 4. 1973 AMC Javelin, price $7,500. This Pierre Cardin edition with a 360 V8 engine and automatic transmission has 51,000 miles believed to be original. Owned by the same owner since 1980, the car was last used on the road in 2022 and now requires a complete restoration, making it undrivable. It offers a unique opportunity for classic car enthusiasts to restore and own this special edition. Check the description if interested. Number 5. The 1967 Ford Ranchero, price $5,100. With a 351 Cleveland engine and C4 automatic transmission. The car is still running but needs brake repairs and rust repair, especially on the floors, which are not in as good condition as claimed by the previous owner. Open to trade offers or partial part sales. The owner is available for certain parts or wants to sell the entire car. Number 6. 1972 Pontiac Grand Prix Model J, price $4,000. This car comes with a 400 American 4-barrel engine, TH400 transmission, front disc brakes, and a bucket console. The car runs well for both forward and reverse and has new brakes. However, it needs an inspection. The frame is in great condition, and the floors are very solid, having been rust-proofed. Nevertheless, the car needs significant bodywork and painting, and the cracked windshield needs replacement. This car is ideal for classic car lovers ready to do some restoration work, considering its solid structure and robust engine. Number 7. 1973 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Coupe, price $4,400. With a 354-barrel engine, and turbo 400 transmission, it has 76,000 original kilometers. The car has new dual exhausts, including Superflow 40s and new tailpipes, as well as new parts such as points, plugs, carburetor kit, and rear tires. Although the car runs well and is ready to drive home, some work is needed on the roof. The car is offered at a low price, giving classic car enthusiasts a chance to own a solid and well-performing vehicle. Number 8. 1977 Lincoln Mark V, priced $3,300. With a 467.5-liter V8 engine, this car has a new master cylinder and steering coupler, along with many other available parts. The car is significant as an heirloom, but now needs a new owner with the time and knowledge to restore it. The engine and transmission are still strong, and the car comes with power driver's seat, windows, locks, and trunk release. In the trunk, there is a new gas tank, straps, and sending unit. Unfortunately, the car needs brake repairs, so it cannot be driven currently. The Lincoln Mark V is known for its luxurious design and large size, making it a highly valued classic car, but careful maintenance and restoration are needed to restore its glory. Number 9. 1969 Mercury Cougar, price $7,200. With a 4-speed automatic transmission, it has a clean interior with a well-maintained dashboard and a smoothly running 351 Windsor engine. The car features a welded 4-point roll cage, newer tires and wheels, as well as new exhaust, gas tank, and filler neck. Additionally, it has new braided wire throttle and transmission kickdown cables, showcasing a mix of new and original parts, ensuring well-maintained condition without rust and a solid body. This car is ideal for classic car enthusiasts who appreciate performance and authenticity, although the owner is not willing to trade. This Mercury is known for its unique style and muscle car performance, making it a desirable addition to any classic car collection. Number 10. 1977 Ford LTD2, price $9,000. With the Sport Touring package, this car has the option of bench and bucket seats, a 302 V8 engine, and just over 80,000 original miles in excellent condition. The car is rust-free due to diligent rust-proofing by the previous owner. The only issue present is minor paint problems from a repaint by the original owner. The car has passed safety inspection and is road-ready, requiring nothing more for the safety test. The owner wants to trade this classic car for another classic car, preferably a Mercury Cougar from 1971 to 1974. Number 11. 1976 Chevrolet Malibu, price $9,500. With 173,000 kilometers, this classic car has been owned by one owner since 1975. The car has the original 350cc V8 engine and transmission, as well as the original paint, and has never been in an accident. However, the car lacks AC, which was an optional feature at the time. The sale of the car also includes spare parts such as all window glass and bumpers, making it an attractive choice for restoration enthusiasts. Number 12. 1972 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special, price $7,300. With a 472 7.7L big block V8 engine, providing an experience that will surely draw attention wherever you go. The car features a custom quad-tip exhaust system installed by the previous owner, producing an impressive sound. The vehicle has been displayed in a museum and has low mileage of 23,000 miles, although that number will increase as the owner uses it as a daily driver. Additionally, the car comes with many extra parts. The owner is open to considering trades for a faster and manual vehicle, preferably one with a V8 engine, offering a chance to find a combination of style and performance. Number 13. 1973 Ford Grand Torino, price $9,000. With only 57,000 miles, it offers a rare opportunity for a vintage car. The vehicle is well maintained, providing a smooth experience and reliable performance. With the iconic design of the 1970s, Its interior and exterior remain original, equipped with a reliable engine and smooth automatic transmission. This Gran Torino can accommodate up to 6 passengers, making it an ideal choice for you or a collector. Number 14. 1975 Buick Century, price $7,300. With a 350 small block engine and 3-speed automatic transmission, it offers reliable performance and comfortable driving. The car has a clean underside and runs well with no issues upon starting. With only 45,000 original miles, this vehicle is a well-preserved example from the classic era. The owner is open to trading for an old V8 car with a manual transmission or other reasonable offers, ready to be used or modified as you wish. Number 15. 1973 Plymouth Satellite Custom, price $10,000, the third owner since 2010. This wagon is very solid with a few small dents in the older paint, but still looks good, with very little rust in some places. The car's structure is sturdy, not requiring any body or interior work. This unique car features a 3-speed manual transmission on the column, a manual rear window, no factory-installed radio, and no power steering. It comes with an optional roof rack, rear window deflector, and towing package wiring harness. The matching numbers 318 engine has been rebuilt with a thermoquad carburetor on a Performer intake. The cylinder heads have been rebuilt and optimized. The car has a new clutch, new rear springs with air shocks, new K-frame bushings, and new front shocks. Dual exhaust with side exit tips, 1608 mag wheels with Goodyear tires, and the original wheels and hubcaps with a spare tire are still available. Thank you, bro. This is the craziest find I've ever seen. Don't forget to subscribe.